Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to add yours 2022 at the highlights, and here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. Just like this. You can also check my other viral trends if you like. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a video tutorial on YouTube to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and then I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your story. So I will go ahead and do that. I will go with this photo. You can choose a photo with you if you like. You can now place your sticker where you want and make it bigger or smaller. And from here you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and then go to questions. And here you can add an emoji if you like, or you can ask people to tell something about you. I will go with this one. And now by using your two fingers, you have to place your sticker where you want and make it bigger or smaller. And once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, you have to go on my Instagram account on Ali and John YTT, and from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to a YouTube tutorial which has only 3 or 2 minutes. I think it's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.